Hi guys, today maglalaro tayo ulit ng +1 speed keyboard escape sa Roblox. So, yung goal natin ngayon magka 15,000 wins para makakuha nitong +250 per step. So, requires niya 15,000 wins. So, let's go. Let's get 15,000 wins. Our goal for today is to get into stage 10 because we literally at level 70, and to get to stage 10 you need to get level 70. So let's go. Okay. We sleep. Okay. Jump. Just wait for the lag. Okay. And jump. Let's wait for this bridge. Run into that. Okay, that is literally a death counter over there. Are here, stage 10. Okay, let's go in 3, 2, 1. We need level 80, so we need to grind for that. Okay, 6,000. Just repeat it. Okay, flip again. We just fell. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the video until we get 10k wins. So just wait guys, I'm gonna get into 10k wins in 3, 2, 1. So guys, we just hit 10k wins. So we only need 5,000 more wins to get to +250 per step. So let's go. You can reach it. Okay, go. I'm a little bit fast, so I'm a little bit fast at this game, so I always not from slowness, from fastness. No, it worked. Okay. Let's just teleport. Okay, I think level 7. and jump. Stage 10, final level. Plus 1,000 wins. Next level. Next is 12,000 wins. Page 9. We just level up. Okay. Lastly, okay, we just hit 12k wins, and I'm gonna cut it again until we get 14k wins. Okay guys, we just hit 14k wins. We need one more. We need 1,000 more to get 15,000 wins. So, for the land. So fast that I cannot even pass that level. Okay. I think we can decrease it. We can decrease our speed to get on that level. We didn't press the jump. We're so fast. We cannot get there because we're so fast, guys. We can cut a little bit. Let's teleport to stage 5. Okay. And lastly, stage 10. K win and we just plus 250 per step. Okay, so we need 50k to reach plus 500 per step. Okay, so we gonna go little bit in that. So every step we made gets 2.25k speed. We gain 2.25k speed if we walk because of this upgrade. And we have purple trail times 3 speed boost. Okay, so bye guys, bye.